shot this video about slab work, diamond. You can see steel structure, and here after they install the column, they need to do the diamond. You can see. Okay, so slab. Okay, to grade. Turn down slab, steel structure. Also you can see here, after they install the steel structure, they need forming to pour the concrete for diamond, because when they pour the slab, they did the space for diamond. You can see here, you can see a corner there. Okay, you can see steel structure installed, plumbing work is ready there. Okay, and you can see they put salt fence and backfill with stone, and here catch basin protect. You can see they put salt fence, and there's a salt fence here, and they put fence all the way around. Okay, you can see fence all the way around. Okay, here's some rebars and fabric. Okay, plumbing work, step up. And there we have stone, do grading work, everything, dumpster over there. Okay, welding machine for steel structure. Everything is installed, steel structure, bar joist, corrugated metal. Okay, roofing. So that's how to do slab work and diamond. Still install steel structure, columns, beams. Everything is good. So if you like this video, guys, please like, subscribe. I will upload more videos. Thank you, guys. Bye.